Hi guys, Bob from Fixed. Just want to go over sealing cement, sealing decks. We're doing a ton of that right now. People are hiring us to, clean them and seal them and things like that. So just, a little bit of advice on that is people, well, how often should I seal my concrete? Honestly, every couple years. You can see this has been resealed recently. It's super shiny. But what it does is the sealant protects so that water doesn't get in there, and then when the winter time comes, it freezes, it cracks, it causes problems. Seal your concrete every couple years if you can. On decks, people say, well, I just got a new deck, I want to stain it and seal it. Well, first off, on a new deck, you should probably wait a year. It'll say in the manufacturer's information, but basically the wood has a lot of chemicals in it, a lot of moisture in it. That needs to dry out before you seal it. So otherwise it will not hold the sealing or the stain. And then, when you're going to seal and stain your deck, you want to have a 24-hour window before and after. So basically, you want to have 24 hours to dry before you apply sealant and stain, and then you need it to be dry another 24 hours after you do it. So tip here, do not stain or seal and then it rain right away and you have a problem. 24-hour window before and after.